I finally get to say something that I have been wanting to say for a really long time, and I almost am getting like emotional about this. I quit my job. I just did it like a couple hours ago. I've been kind of processing it, and I feel scared, and I feel a little bit anxious, but most of all, I feel incredible. I feel incredibly happy and incredibly free, and no more soup making unless I want to make soup. No more not being able to do my job because I don't have the right equipment, or yeah, I'm just gonna leave it at that. But oh man, I'm thankful for the time that I had at my job. It did allow me to transition, but it's been a rough last year, I think I could say. I'm doing personal training and Instacart now, so I quit one of my jobs. I'm still working for Instacart, but I'm really using this to focus on personal training, and for the people that I'm working with right now, it's amazing. I finally get to do what I've been wanting to do, something I'm passionate about. It's crazy how much difference it can make in your life when you're actually doing something that you're passionate about. And you know, this was kind of like my New Year's resolution, was to make this a year of risk. So this is like definitely starting out strong in January, taking a risk, taking the risk to grow my personal training business and do something that I'm passionate about. And you know, life is way too short. I couldn't spend another hour, another second in that kitchen being miserable because I can't get those seconds back. And that's time that I could spend building my passion, doing something I'm passionate about. I'm just gonna say passion a million times, and helping people. And I'm just super excited, super excited. And speaking of which, if you are interested in training, I will link down my package. I'm gonna link my package below. I will put my link down below with the information about my training packages and stuff like that. If you would like to train with me, I would love to work with you and help me out. I don't have a job anymore. So yeah, and then on that note, I also want to announce the giveaway winner. And I'm giving away a 12-week training plan. Miranda Goldston is the winner of the 12-week training giveaway. And I chose Miranda because she seems very committed. She's already lost 170 pounds on her own without a trainer. And that just shows me that she's already committed. Like, she's got no excuses, and she's just full force ready to go for it and doing it for her kid. And I really am looking forward to working with her and helping her reach the rest of her goals when it comes to getting healthy. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching and for supporting. And I think that I'm gonna have some more time for YouTube videos and just all sorts of fun things like that. I'm excited to see where the path leads me next, now that I have ventured out of clocking in and out every single day. No more getting up at 3:30 in the morning to get to work. And yeah, I don't know if I'll get more sleep because I'm gonna be working really hard. Making plans for people, it's all custom. It takes a lot of time, even if I'm not physically going somewhere to do that. So, yep, I'm gonna stop talking now. I'm incredibly happy, and I love you guys, and I will see you next time. Peace out.